Amazon ElastiCache is a fully managed in-memory caching service provided by Amazon Web Services. It's part of the AWS databases family, designed to help developers improve application performance by storing frequently accessed data in memory rather than retrieving it from slower disk-based databases every time. ElastiCache is a fully managed in-memory data store that AWS handles for you. Its primary purpose is to improve application performance by retrieving data from fast, managed, in-memory caches instead of slower disk-based databases. ElastiCache supports two popular open-source caching engines, Redis and Memcached. This gives you flexibility in choosing the right engine based on your application requirements. In-memory caching offers several compelling benefits. First, it provides ultra-fast performance with sub-millisecond response times and microsecond latency. Second, it reduces the load on your primary databases by offloading read-intensive workloads. Third, it helps optimize costs by reducing the number of database queries and compute resources needed. Finally, it improves scalability, allowing your applications to handle millions of requests per second with ease. ElastiCache excels in several common scenarios. It's perfect for database query caching, where you store frequently accessed database query results. It's also ideal for session management, storing user session data for web applications. Real-time analytics is another strong use case, including gaming leaderboards, real-time dashboards, and counters. Additionally, ElastiCache is great for API response caching, where you cache API responses to reduce backend processing load. Redis stands for Remote Dictionary Server. It's an advanced in-memory data structure store that supports multiple data types and advanced features. Redis offers rich data structures including strings, lists, sets, sorted sets, hashes, bitmaps, and hyperlog logs. It provides persistence options with support for data persistence to disk using snapshots and append-only file. Redis includes master replica replication for high availability, and it has built-in publish-subscribe messaging patterns for real-time communication. Redis comes with several advanced features that make it powerful. It supports ACID transactions using multi, exec, and watch commands for data consistency. It offers automatic expiration by allowing you to set time to live on keys for automatic cache invalidation. Redis supports Lua scripting, enabling you to execute custom scripts for complex operations with atomic execution. It also has built-in support for storing and querying geographic coordinates through geospatial data capabilities. Memcached is a high-performance, distributed memory caching system designed for simplicity and speed. It features a simple design as a straightforward key-value store with minimal complexity. Unlike Redis, Memcached is multi-threaded, which means it efficiently utilizes multiple CPU cores for better performance. It stores only string data types for maximum simplicity, and it's easy to scale horizontally by adding more nodes to the cluster. Memcached has some distinct characteristics to be aware of. It offers no persistence, meaning data is purely in memory with no disk persistence options. It also has no built-in replication or high availability features. Memcached uses the least recently used algorithm to evict data when memory is full. It's best suited for scenarios where you need a simple, fast cache without complex requirements like persistence or replication. Let's compare Redis and Memcached across key features. For data structures, Redis supports multiple types like lists, sets, and hashes, while Memcached only supports strings. Redis offers persistence through snapshots and append-only file, while Memcached has no persistence. Redis supports master replica replication, but Memcached does not. For threading, Redis is single-threaded while Memcached is multi-threaded. Finally, Redis is ideal for complex data and advanced features, while Memcached excels at simple caching at scale. Choosing between Redis and Memcached depends on your specific needs. Choose Redis when you need complex data structures, require data persistence, need replication and high availability, want publish-subscribe messaging, or need advanced features like geospatial queries. On the other hand, Choose Memcached when you need simple key-value caching, require multi-threaded performance, prioritize horizontal scaling, want minimal complexity, or need pure caching without persistence. Both are excellent choices, but for different use cases.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.